Alright. I've successfully succeeded. Oh, is there someone in my house right now? Hello? I swear I saw somebody like right there. They're gone. Hello? Did you guys see that? I swear I did. Like, I'm not crazy. I literally saw somebody like right here. And now they're like gone. It's weird. Wait. How many shiny fish do you have, foolish? I'm up to like 8 now. Gonna make a team. Let's go. Rude? How is that rude?
Hey, shh. All right. I'm looking.
That's not rude. That's playful shamemery. You are dumb. That's all he can say. I'm getting all the shiny fish. What, another one? Chat. Where is it? Where is it? It sounds like it's coming from up here. I hear it, but where is it? Do you see it on the map? Where is it on the map, chat? I'm looking. Let's try back over here. Hold on, Lucy, hold on. Lucy, you gotta calm. Lucy, no. Lucy, no, that's not for you.
He's digging through the ground. He was going about his day. Now I've actually got him. Digging through the ground. Chat, I don't want any snitches, by the way. This is beautiful.
I can still hear it. I feel like I'd be able to see it on the map though, wouldn't I? Maybe it's in here. Like, this is driving me insane, chat. I can hear it, but it's really hard to hear it with Lucy. Okay, it looks like near the top surface, there's a cave layer right here.
It's funny because his chat is saying like, go back where your farm was. It was loud there. It was closer to
like
the farm.
it would show up on the map though, wouldn't it?
Go to where it was loud.
It's probably gone.
It's probably gone.
What? Let's save the music, chat.
We string him on
It's the
by the
music
thinnest thread of hope. It's probably gone. Okay.
So not all of them do?
I'll stop playing sounds like.
You think it could be here? So you think I should just go down? Like, what the fudge? It sounds like it's coming from in here. And I'm waiting.
No, I'm just gonna go quiet. No, he's waiting for it. I'm gonna go quiet. And the second he gives in, I'm gonna reel it back. We just wait. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. the water.
No, I can't hear it. That's the problem. I'm listening. It's probably gone.
Are you ready?
Huh?
It's probably gone.
This is driving me insane, chat. The shiny sound. To end all shiny sounds.
No, no, it's close. It's close.
I feel like it's in this area. But I can't for the life of me. Like, there's nothing.
How long do we keep this going for? This is terrible.
Ghost Pokemon can phase through blocks. They could literally just be in the ground, like moving around.
What are these theories?
And that's why we're not seeing it.
And so I've just dug underground. I'm just playing the shiny sound effect song. And every time he's on the brink of giving up, I just jingle the bell again. And he goes, he's been digging for ages. I went to the bathroom and came back, and he was still digging, trying to find it.
This is like the biggest. This shiny is the biggest troll, chat. Like, we're never gonna find it. Where the fudge are you?
It's actually some conditioning. You will keep looking.
And that, do you think there's a possibility that it's just glitched? Like, is there nothing there?
Wait, he's having doubts, guys. We need a morale boost. We need a morale boost stat.
Sound?
Quick, we get him.
Wait, I heard it. Hold on. Hold on.
It's instant. Oh god! Is there a chance it's like glitched or bugged or something? Wait, guys, wait, I heard it. Lucy, shut up! I can hear the shiny.
It's like it needs me to back up. Oh, I heard it. Guys, I don't think it's down here.
Yes! It's not down there! It's not down there! Yes!
Remember we came down here?
No. It's actually a reward-based system. He starts digging down and I punish it by making the sound quieter, and then he gives up on searching in my direction. The second he starts looking in the wrong way, I reward him by boosting the volume.
You're 100% sure it cannot be in the sky.
Yeah, wait, God, wait, the sky. It's actually some Pavlov.
Like, are you 100% sure?
That's how he hasn't found me. Oh, he's flying up. He's searching the skies!
Wait.
I can't.
We're here.
Oh, and then watch.
Right
No,
here?
no, not there.
Right here. Right?
No.
Right, chat? Sounds like it's coming from right here.
No, you're way off. Miles away.
Like, it literally sounds like it's
No, not in that wall. Not in that wall, sir. Oh my god. What in the FNAF? The rig setup.
How far away
Oh.
do we see?
I miss
it's not
messing
gonna be-
with
there
Bad.
no-
You know what the best part is? I'll let him think it's Tubbo.
What was that? Do you think we're being pranked, chat? Do you think someone is pulling a practical joke?
Armor. With the armor makes sound.
Maybe there's a way to play a sound. I think it's like right here. There's nothing.
I've been in these mines for hours looking for the rare shiny Pokemon. I've been digging through these walls, and all I can hear is a jiggle jaggle and a glittery glitter. I'm lost for words. I don't know what's going on, Bad. What's going on? Yeah, we find the rare legendary shiny ghost type wall clipping Pokemon. It's driving me insane, Bad. I don't know what to do with myself no more.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna send you to be your maker.
What do you mean?
You're so funny.
This is a crisis.
Yeah. Oh, you're having the same problem too.
You found me at a time of need. I gotta find this rare shiny Pokemon.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew I saw somebody on my roof, and then I went up to look, and you weren't there. You son of a gun! I'm gonna kill you, Tubbo. Alright, empty your pockets, Tubbo. Put everything on the ground.
Let's see what I got to offer you. I got a slate ball, a citrine ball, a premier ball, a rosette ball.
Alright.
An old tree ball. And
that was pretty good. I'll give you that. I really thought, I'm thinking like, man, this stupid looking shiny is so hidden.
You know what, Bad? Here.
What? Yeah, Tubbo, you sound a lot different than normal.
I got a frog in my throat. Is that what they say?
Yeah, no, I'm noticing. Oh! Wait, I can have this?
You can have it.
Oh, thank you. Is there anything else at Tubbo's you want to give me?
I found that myself. I mean, I found that. That's my all my belongings are a stack of M's, diamonds. I got a Kangaskhan card. I don't know what that does.
Well, thank you. I'll appreciate this. Yeah, this is. You know what? I guess I really did find a shiny underneath my ground.
Hey, I'm as rare as they come.
No, man.
You don't need to flatter me no more.
Going into mines is something that's really hard, you know. Here, come on up. Let me show you around, partner. We've had a really hard day.
Thank you. It's my first rodeo around these parts.
Yeah, no, I do declare. Come on up, partner.
You declare? What are you?
I do declare you've been in the mines a long time. It's probably been a long time since you've seen the sun.
Whoa, oh my gosh, Sebastian.
Oh, yeah, don't worry about it.
What a mighty fine good fella.
Yeah, no, he works out at the gym. Gotta get that protein powder.
Oh, goddamn.
Look at them arms. Come on, go to admire them muscles. He's got them pectorals, right?
I have a proposal for y'all before we to acquaint ourselves. Whoa! I didn't mean that. I'm sorry.
Stranger,
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to melt like that. Oh God.
We're that close.
We're not. Oh, my bad. I mean, you spent hours digging for me. I thought, the ball was in my court. Now what I meant to do is was show you who's boss around here.
Do you want to battle?
I want to battle. Wait.
All right.
This ain't my Pokemon. I don't. Hey. Well.
Oh, look at that. Y'all got them there. PG. Well, time for it to die.
My bad.
Gonna be very unfortunate.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Here we go.
Oh, wow. My Pidgeot.
Oh my god!
Wait, no, my Pokemon are useless.
Oh no, my turducken. No.
They don't do squat.
Don't worry, I'll make it quick.
Oh god, oh god. Oh no,
there we go. Your turn.
Alrighty, Igglybuff. You got this.
Oh dang, that's a strong there Pokemon right there.
To the front lines.
Yeah, no, this is gonna be a tough battle.
Alrighty.
Alright, turducken.
Oh god, Igglybuff.
There we go.
My baby.
Go work.
Oh my god, you slaughtered it. Okay, well, I'll send my next best. Pick a peck.
Oh my gosh, that's a little cute.
Y'all didn't see this one coming.
No, yeah, that's a cute little chickeny you got there.
my supersonic gonna put a stop to this turducken.
All right, turkey, kill it.
Oh God, no, my big peck. Why does this keep happening? Oh.
Yeah, no, things aren't working out. Your Pokemon are. They're really struggling. Oh, there you go.
Please him. Alrighty,
that one looks pretty strong. I'm sure he can hold his own. Go, turducken.
Quick attack.
Kill it.
Oh,
look at that.
Oh,
man. Oh, gosh, he did.
No. Oh, Blitz.
Oh, no.
This is terrible.
Oh man!
Alright, next my super effective bee drill. Oh god.
Don't worry, I'll make.
Vano shock. I'm sure we'll get him. Oh god, no!
Oh god!
You're
right. You got, how many more you got?
9 more Pokemon.
Oh man, you're swimming in Pokemon. Go ahead, bring him out.
My love me, my Turtwig.
Why is your Pokemon named Love Me? That's
love me. You know, love me from the you know, I believe there's a bit of a morale to be had here.
No, I see you're a little bit, as they say, needy. No,
I'm not needy. I'm just narcissistic. All right, there's a clear difference. You never call me needy. I'd never admit to such things.
No,
alrighty, Turtwig, you gotta show him who's boss. You gotta razor leaf. It's now or never. Oh my God, Turtwig!
You survived.
Oh,
dang.
Oh my God.
Oh.
I gotta giga mega drain. Turtwig, go.
All right. Use assassinate.
No, assassinate. Why'd you assassinate Turtwig like that?
It had to be done. Oh, I got a booster pack. Oh boy.
Oh, my Pokemon are dead. You killed everyone.
They're in a better place now.
You didn't leave. You didn't leave them a chance. They're in a better place.
No, unfortunately, I couldn't. I'm sorry.
Oh God.
My turkey's too strong.
Oh God.
He goes to the gym as well.
I didn't
spot each other.
I don't know what I could have done differently there. That was I don't have any ice or God or anything.
No, yeah, you. Oh no, yeah, come on in here. I got myself one of these here. Whatchamacallit, Pokemon healing machines.
Whoa. Well,
yeah,
I
just
never.
slap right click that right there.
This
man.
machine needs 99% more charge to heal your body.
Oh darn it!
Maybe
I may have just broken it, which reset it.
I'm about to go give Nurse Joy a visit.
No, wait, it's almost done. 3% more charge.
Oh
wait, your party is like killed, so it needs a lot more.
It needs 97%.
Don't worry, we'll just wait it out. I'm sure it'll be okay.
Oh, you really don't mean to go? I can stay.
Yeah, I mean, we're just hanging out. Maybe we can get lucky and find more. Oh, we can get more shinies. We can go to the mines.
Wait. You want to see me summon a shiny?
Yeah, some in the shiny. I want to see.
Whoa.
I hate you so much. That was such a waste of time. I was like, what a strange sound out here.
You were so close.
Oh, man.
Now look, hear me out. We can reuse this. We can get more.
I see. Wait a minute.
What do we put? We combine powers.
I got the perfect
Oh,
target.
let me guess who that is.
Yeah, it's foolish. We're gonna get. What do you think? You want to go on a journey?
Let me hear my Pokemon, and we go pay that ship a visit.
Let's go do it. All right.